Yeah, please carry on, ma'am.
Okay. See, it was a lovely organized trip actually by Elan Travels. I mean, it was an amazing thing because it was like a sudden plan, and thanks to Mr. Vasily, I told him suddenly within I think 1 hour we planned it out. I need this, I need this, I need this. This is my budget, so get it done. It was all planned. It was like 7 days trip. We felt it was almost 14 days trip, and we're gonna miss Kashmir. Yes. We don't want to leave.
The people
Kashmir.
over here is very nice. What I want to say,
was this your first trip to Kashmir?
Yes, the people outside Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. I haven't been to Jammu although, but in Kashmir this is my first trip. The people have very wrong notion about Kashmir, that it is not safe. What we got feedback from other people: please don't cancel the trip to Kashmir. Don't come to Kashmir. It's not safe out there. So we have been 1 week over here. It was amazing. The people are really nice, very helpful. And we really had awesome trip. This is one of the best trip I had in Kashmir. So
lovely.
It is lovely. So I would request people to come and see more and more people to come and see Kashmir. It was wonderful. And thanks to Alan India Tours to organize such a lovely trip for us. Like, it is really
Will you suggest
great.
your friends to Elan India Tours?
Definitely we'll suggest.
Already the list of suggestions are
Yes,
on.
yes.
We are one of them.
Yes,
I will suggest some more.
And you went to so many places like Gulmarg, Pahalgam.
Yeah, Sonmarg,
so
Gulmarg,
which one you
Pahalgam.
liked the most, and what activities all you did
Basically,
in Kashmir?
every place
Do you
has
have
their own
and
importance.
one important thing? Do you have any suggestions for the tourists, like who are planning to come to Kashmir, that they should do this thing, they should not do this thing, like they should be a good bargainer? And because I have seen like so many tourists, they say that they are not properly guided. All right. So do you have any tips or suggestions?
Yes, you give first.
Because whatever we planned, like Mr. Wasim has planned for you, you have planned for us, and the driver who was literally, he was awesome, Mr. Umair, Mr. Umair. So he was also very nice. He guided us like really well. So we planned with the local tours, we started with the local sites in Srinagar, then we headed towards Sonmarg, then Gulmarg, then Pahalgam 2 days, and after that 1 day boat in Dal Lake, boat house in Dal Lake. So it was basically very well organized. So
how was your trip to Gondola? Did you like it?
It was. Did
you got
really
the
nice.
snow? The important thing.
Yes, we got the snow. We got snow in Sonmarg. In Gulmarg, when we went to Gondola, the first phase, second phase, both the phases we covered, and then we went to Pahalgam also. There also we got, luckily we got snow.
I hope we will get some pictures of you on the Instagram.
Yes, definitely.
Tagging us,
Already posted reels, boomerang, and the photos also. Yes.
Okay, but do tag us also, no? Whenever you are posting.
I'll definitely.
And you forgot to introduce yourself, your good name, and where are you from?
My name is Mrinmoy Chakraborty. I am from Kolkata.
Oh, you say the Chakraborty? It's a very different accent, Chakraborty.
Yes.
It's a Bengali surname.
Yes. Yeah.
And yours?
Mine is Rusha Mondal. I am the one who has been eating, Mr. Wasim said, for a long time for this trip. I know. I've been complaining in few places. Yes, there was a little bit of ups and downs. That's fine, because overall, whatever I expected, a lovely view, a lovely coordination, no hassle taking the transport, the very important thing, which we did not face any hassle at all.
No.
So that was very good. The tip I would give to someone who is going to come, Kashmir, first thing, get in touch with someone who is from Kashmir, because they are here to guide us. I have seen people might think, they are doing business, they are doing this. It's not that.
The of course, it is their business, but you also have to
it's not that it's only
it.
the business they are doing. It's like they are actually taking care of you. And here in midway in the road also, if you're stuck somewhere, if you take catch hold of any other Kashmiri and you tell him, my phone is not working, can you help me with the Wi-Fi? Instantly they're gonna share your hotspot to you, and you can get in touch with anyone. So I feel they should come to Kashmir to know Kashmiris in a better way.
Thank you.
It's a lovely trip. I mean, I will be coming back to Kashmir once again. I myself know
I'll be waiting for you.
And I'll be eating Wasim sir's head once again.
Thank you.
मेरा फिर से plan कर दो छोटा सा trip.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Love you. Thank you.